You are going to love the 2022 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.